Yo, what is up, you guys? It's Jesus from Villagrand's Pit Stop. So today we got sponsored by a company called Lampo. We just hijacked Luna's dog collar, so we're gonna open it with the dog collar, of course. Right off the bat, everything is packaged nicely. Here we have a car wash mitt, a microfiber car mop, a squeegee, a tire brush, and the 12-foot telescopic pole here. And a really huge microfiber drying towel. We aren't done, you guys. This is a soft wash brush. Super soft. And you guys are gonna like this. This is a collapsible freaking bucket, you guys. Super handy. Easy storage. Oh, check this out.
For your car.
Guess what this for?
Store everything. Oh, bucket.
Oh, bucket. So cool. Bada bing, bada boom. We're just gonna freaking extend this sucker.
Getting attacked by the fluffies.
I'm sure most of you guys have owned a white car before or a truck, and you guys know they get freaking dirty.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be using this Lampo. Get it all clean, baby. So I'm super short, so this back window is pain in the butt for me to clean. But with this 12-foot pole here, it's making easy work. And this tonneau cover as well. I've never watched it before. Now we can actually get all of it done.
I can't reach the middle of it.
Here, Bella makes a remark saying I can't even wash the roof, but now I can.
We can, baby. In the roof.
If you detail cars for a living, this is a nice arsenal to keep in hand. Or if you just like washing your car every now and then.
How bad is the roof?
It's really nice that everything you need is included. That way you don't have to go out and about, go buying different products. My favorite part is this collapsible bucket. You can't beat that, you guys. Two nice straps to hold it. And you don't have to worry about scratching up your paint or anything with a soft brush. Squeegee time, baby. I don't know if it's all cars or what, but Jeeps in specific, they are bug magnets. Having a dry towel is a must, and this one specifically is freaking huge. It did the entire Jeep and no wet spots afterwards. The Gladiator looks freaking phenomenal. Looks like it just came out of the showroom. If you guys want one, the link is going to be down in the description below. And huge shout out to Lampo. Check them out, you guys. You won't regret it.